The intention of this set of videos is to introduce the Java programming language, specifically Java 8, and it does so by following the book that's on screen there. And as you can see, that's actually a study guide for certification in Java. So if you wish to pursue certification, this set of videos will hopefully put you on that path. And this guide is split into two books, as you'll see there, OCA and OCP. So the first set of videos will be concerned with OCA. And OCA stands for Oracle Certified Associate Programmer for Java 8. And to gain certification, students will have to sit this exam 1Z0-808. And so to follow these videos, it'll be really handy to have a copy of that book, because references will be made in the videos. And you'll also need to have Java installed on your machine, which can be downloaded for free from the web, from Oracle. Just need to download the Java distribution specific to your computer. So they're all there. And make sure that you download the full Java SE development kit, not just a Java runtime environment. And we'll be doing the worked examples in what's called an integrated development environment, specifically IntelliJ IDEA, which is downloadable from here. It's just an environment in which we can write, compile and run our code, which was traditionally done just using text editors and being run from the command line. But these development environments make things a lot easier for us to do that. There are various others on the market, but this is the one that will be followed in these examples. When you first open IntelliJ, this is the dialog that you'll first be met with, and we're going to create a new project just to get started. And we're going to select Maven project. Maven's just a build tool. We don't need to know anything about that for the course. It's just a convenient project type to do our exercises in. And this dialog is basically asking us to name our project, so we can call that whatever we want. I'm just going to call that com.john.javastudy, and I'll call it this Java test examples, something like that, just something to identify our project. Doesn't really matter what you put at that stage. OK and finish, and that's going to create a Java project for us. So that's now created a Java project for us. It's created this identifier XML file. We won't need that for the project. We can just close it. And eventually it'll display our project structure at the top here. If this doesn't automatically become displayed, you can just go to View, Tool Windows, and Project there. And that will display this left-hand bar here. So this directory is where we'll write our Java code. So let's just expand that and specifically source main Java, because that's where we're going to write our programs. And we'll create a program now, or more specifically we'll create a Java class, because the programs are made up of these Java classes. And you simply right click on that and create, and click New Java Class. And we're going to create a classic program called HelloWorld. HelloWorld. So just call that HelloWorld. And it creates you a new Java class, which will become displayed on the screen. There we go. And all it has at the moment is a class declaration, and it has curly brackets in which we can define our class body. So I'm just going to put a method in there. I'm not going to explain any of these terms yet, because this is purely to prove that the installation is working. So there's a very classic method in Java called the main method, and in IntelliJ you can have a shortcut to that bit by typing PSVM and then the tab key, and that will fill out the body for you there. Public static void main, string args. And then what we can do another shortcut here, SOUT and tab. You can of course write these all out the full way if you want to, but this is just a shortcut way of doing it. And it's going to print out to the screen Hello World. So that's the classic kind of program you write in any language when you want to test that it's working. Hello World. So now what we do, we right click there in the body of this class, and we create Hello World main. And a dialog will appear on our screen. Let's just OK to that. And And then we want to run that program because we created a runnable dialog. So let's go to run here, and we can run Hello World. So let's run it. So there we go. The program's now run, and you can see at the bottom here we've got the output Hello World. So we've actually written a Java program and run it.